Hi, I'm Hadi, co-founder of Heffl. In this video, I'll show you what all apps do we have in Heffl, what all customization you can do in CRM, in projects and in field service. I'll try to cover everything in this video and I don't want to forget anything, so I've just written down everything in the notes in the dashboard. So our first topic is dashboard. So this is the dashboard of Heffl. You can see all the tasks which you have to do, activities which you have to do, all the calls you have done. So all these are customizable, right? So you can add widgets from our widget menu. We are constantly adding more widgets to this. You can select all the graphs available, data available, and you can add to your dashboard, and you can edit this dashboard, the name, who have access to this dashboard, you can edit that one. You can also add multiple dashboards and you can see all the metrics related to that in each of these dashboards. And that's it about dashboards. And next up is CRM. So in CRM we have leads, deals, and we also have a goal section where you can give certain targets to your team members. And we have the client section, contact section, and another dashboard for CRM. So leads is basically where you can integrate with your website, and we also have inboxes where you can capture the leads from WhatsApp and LinkedIn. Right now we are also adding email inbox to it. So once you add a lead, as you can see, you can add all the details related to the deal, to the lead. This is again customizable. So you can just click on customize and you can see all the custom fields related to this particular lead. Or in the clients we have custom, you can add custom fields to leads, clients, deals, projects, everywhere. So just click on add custom field and you can select the entity. For example, if you want to customize the lead, select lead and you can add these types. You can add number, date, single option, multiple option. Even you can add a relation to an entity. You can select the entity you want to select a client here, so you can use this relation for that. You can also use single option and add all the options which you want. So this will be the option, single option and multiple options will be the will be the custom fields which you can filter. So keep that in mind. And if you want to deactivate a custom field, you can just click on active and you can just deactivate. And if this custom field is required, you can on this and update the field. So you can't just delete the custom fields, you need to active or make it active or deactivate. Okay, so now that's how you add a lead. Once a lead is added, you could log a call. That there are different types which we support. Like you can mark whether a call is success, not answered, declined. All that can be done. You can summarize the details here, or you can talk to AI and the AI will summarize about the call. And these stages are also customizable. Okay, so you have a different workflow. Then what you can do is you can go to the organization settings. There is CRM, leads, and you can customize all these stages. Okay, you can add a new stage or you can edit the existing ones. And these are the types which we defaultly support in Heffl. These are new, contacted, unqualified, qualified, and check. And each of your lead stages should be any of these types so that it will hit the report accurately. Okay, so you can add the stages, rearrange this one. There are also a couple of more options which you can customize. So that's how you customize a lead stage. And once a lead is qualified, you can just transfer this to the deal. So ideally how it works is you just click on qualified and the system will ask you to create a new client. So you can a client can be either be a business or an individual, and whatever you type here, this will be created as a contact. So I just want to clarify that there is clients and there is contacts. So I will just explain the difference between a client and a contact before. So a client is associated to a deal, to a quotation, and it can be either be an individual or a business. Okay, and a client can have multiple contacts, which means, for example, let's say Google, Sundar Pichai is the CEO, then someone from the development team. So those are contacts. Okay, each contact will be associated to a client. Okay, now you can add multiple contacts to a client, and you can see all the details related to it and all the contacts related to it. Now that's clients and contacts. And you can just convert this to a deal from here. Just by adding that, you will be transferred to a deals pipeline, which again you can customize. So you have these all stages here. You can click on edit pipeline and you can select the pipeline and you can change the status, whether it's active, won or lost, and you can customize this one. You can also add multiple pipelines. You can either start from scratch or use a template. I just want to quickly check whether I'm covering everything or not. The list I didn't cover, the favorites I didn't cover, custom fields I have covered. So again, in the CRM you can move this one to a particular list. I can add this to a list, whether it's AppSumo paid. I can set everything here, and you can use our API and automatically add them to certain lists so that you can nurture them and you can use them for email marketing. So there is list and everything can be added to a favorite section. If I click on it, you can see it here. It will be gone to the favorite section. What else I'm missing? I've covered CRM, list, favorites, custom fields I have covered. Now tags. Okay, now you can also use tags for each of these fields. Wait a second, let me go here, add column, tags. Yeah, you can also customize how everything look. The tables is absolutely customizable. You can add tags here. If you want to add more tag, just click on add tag. You can select the type and type in the name. So you can add tags to various entities. Go to organization settings and tags, and you can add the tag to all of these fields. So you can add it from the settings or you can add it from each of the entity itself. Then we have inbox. We also have inbox, WhatsApp inbox and LinkedIn inbox. This is the add-on, but if you have taken the inbox, you can nurture the lead from here itself. You can change that to so you have all the messages you receive on LinkedIn, and you can also nurture that to the CRM part, and you can work it from here itself. You can go to this particular lead and chat from here, and so it's easy for you to nurture the lead. So that's how you can utilize our inbox feature, whether it's WhatsApp or a LinkedIn, but it's an add-on. I need to mention that here. So stage customization I have covered, clients vs contacts I have covered. We also have a client portal which I have launched recently. For example, I'll show you. If you take, just in case if you are wondering, I just plus command plus K, there is a global search. You can type everything. You can just calculate it here also, like raycast. We try to build this like raycast. So you can enable the client portal, copy the client portal link, paste it, and if you are logged in, you will get a client portal like this for your clients. They can pay the invoice from here. They can see all the quotations given to them. All of these things can be done from the client portal. You can go to the organization settings, client portal, and edit all the details which you want. Okay, now client portal is covered. You can also use email integrations. If you want to send mails, go to organization settings, integrations, and you can connect your email here, whether it's Gmail, Outlook or Zoho Mail. You can connect it from here. SMTP is next, we are adding it. You can just go to a particular lead and you can email them from here itself. So this is one easy way for you to handle to send emails. And we have a sales module where you can create proposals, invoices, perform invoice and everything. It's easy for you to create a quotation. Just click on add quotation, select the template which you want to create a quotation, just select the line item, add quotation, and this is ready. You can see this is all customized, everything is ready. So how this design appeared here, so there is a template section we have where you can add all your templates, whether it's quotation, deal. So you can create contracts, you can create invoices, and every of these documents are customizable. Go to the template section, and either you can add a new template, you can select from the Heffl templates, or just select something and you can customize everything. There is a header part here which you can customize. There is a footer where you can customize here, and we have fields here which you can use so that it will automatically fill the details, for example quote date, everything. So while you are trying to add a template, there are types of quotation, invoice, performa invoice, client, all these. You can even add for job completion reports, everything comes here. You can also add for a deal, where this is where I will suggest you to create. If you want to create proposal, I mean contracts, NDAs, you can associate that to a deal, so that you can create it from a deal itself. So that's how you customize and create templates from Heffl. Sale, I have shown the same for invoice also. If you a quotation is accepted, you can convert to this to an invoice and create it from here itself, and you can get paid and everything. It's all doable from one platform, whether it's regarding payments, performa invoice. You can see all the products which you are selling here. There is again another dashboard here. So that's that. Template customization I covered. Then it comes to projects. So the workflow is, you add a lead, it goes to a deal. A deal is associated with a quotation if you create proposals. If not, you can just again convert a particular deal to project. So you can select the pipeline in which you want this deal to be transferred, or you can go to the sales part, select an accepted quotation, and you can convert this to a project, and you can select the pipeline in which you want to create this particular project. So in our project section we have pipeline. So these pipelines I'll show you. Like, I use this onboarding pipeline for onboarding my clients. The first stage is planning, then I do the document migration, training. So all these steps can be customized in the pipeline. I can add my own workflow. For example, if you are a marketing agency, you do digital marketing, you do website development, you can have multiple pipelines with different stages, and you can create each of the work as a project. And we have a template section. For example, whenever you are doing a digital marketing, you have certain tasks which you do initially: collect the details from client, and you need to set up the meta account. So all that sort of things, you can use it as a templates inside project. Give me 1 second, if only I can find templates. Sorry. So you can go to the templates, and you can add all the tasks here, and that will be created to a particular project when you are creating that project. So in the project, you can see all the tasks which you have already added. You can see it in the Kanban view. You can upload the files here. You can add all the notes related to this particular project here. The employees can log their timesheet against tasks, and we have a finances tab where you can invoice. So it comes lead, deal, proposal, then to a project, then and to invoicing. So it's a full circle, right? So you can go till end, till getting paid. From start to end, you can handle it from Heffl. You can add all the expenses incurred here. You can invoice it from here. So and everything related to a project will be appeared here. Now what's next? Templates I have shown. So again we have a task here. So you can see all the tasks related to here. If you don't want to see tasks related to projects, you can turn this off. You can filter everything here. You can see the task which you have assigned. You can see it in the calendar view. So we have everything related to a task, basic task. We also have the one specialty we have is, when you are adding it, you can select the type, whether this is a call or a meeting, so that you will get the analytics, how many calls you have done, how many calls you have to make. So there is task, call, and meeting as a type. What else? And we have a finances tab, which the name is books. So you can go to the finances tab and see the basic dashboard, the cash flow, receivables. So under books, basically you can see all the products which you have. You can add all your bank accounts here. Under the sales section, you can see all the invoices which you have given. Under purchases, you can record all your expenses, bills, and everything. So everything related to finances goes under books, and also you can do it individually from sales, also creating invoice. Then comes field service. So this is one of our strong module. There are not many CRMs which have field service in it. So the field service module, you can see this is the scheduler view. You can see all the pending jobs which you have to do. You can assign a date and it will appear in the, you can create a new job here, whether it's a one-off or a contract job. If it's a one-off job, just select one-off job, select the client which you want to do, add the property where you want to do the work. Again, this can be converted from a quotation to a job. I'm just for the sake of creating, I'm just creating it here. It's today 1 a.m. You can add the job here and the job will appear here. This is unassigned because you need to assign this to your field workers. So you can handle all the schedules here. All the jobs will be appeared here, whether it's a contract job or a one-off job. You can see all the schedules which you have to do. You can see all the invoices, the documents which you created here. There is files. You can chat with your clients from here, and you can see all the details related to a field service here. And we have a dedicated field service workers app where they can see all the work they have to do. And finally, report section. If you go to reports, we have all the reports related to all the modules. For CRM we have reports, for sales we have report, for books. So everything you might want to know, it will be in some report. Okay, in the sales you can see all the invoice summary report, profit and loss, payments received, all this sort of stuff. In the CRM you can see, go to the leads, and you can see the leads created by date, from sources, and lead status, lead conversion. So all of these stuff can be seen from the reports. And the final topic is integrations. If you go to organization settings and integration, you can see all the integrations which you have. Keep an eye on this tab. We'll post more in our Discord group and everywhere, but we are building many integrations, and this will help you to create the CRM more powerful, and this will save you more time. I hope I covered every topic which I listed here. So this is a basic overview for Heffl.